Today we have a Chevy Equinox with some fault codes in the EBCM and the power steering module. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for more notification. The code I'm interested in is C0710, and that's for the steering angle sensor, which lives on the steering column. And on this wiring diagram, we can see the voltage to the sensor. The diagram is saying it's a 5 volts reference voltage going to the 3 modules there, one from the EBCM and the steering angle sensor and acceleration sensor. Yes, we have a code for the steering angle sensor, which is right here, and there's no 5 volts coming to this dark green wire, and what I found is that the wire was broken. Oh heck, the wire was broken right here. That's where it's broken from here. So I'm gonna put it together, see if I get a 5 volts there. Now, okay, so now I splice the wire here. I splice the wire there and there. Get some light. I know traction light went off. Yep, there's no traction light now. And you can also read the steering angle now. Turn the steering a bit, turn the steering a bit, turn the steering wheel a bit. So but the diagram says it's a 5 volts reference voltage. Can I get back to it? I can measure it from here anyway. The diagram on the repair information diagram says it's supposed to be 5 volts ref. And this is not 5 volts. That's battery voltage. So, chasing my tail, searching for 5 volts when it's a battery voltage. And I'm gonna bring the diagram up just to show you where I get that from the diagram, and put it out so that we can all see that. So it's not the steering angle sensor that is there, it's just a broken wire here, and I'm going to check if there's any other broken wire inside there. So let's do the repair. Heat shrink and solder. That's what we're going to do. Heat shrink and solder. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for more notification, and give this channel a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.